All right, there is a danger, or there is a underline red, meaning it is not comfortable. So to make it comfortable, we need to bring the all props which are here, button props zote, including the text variant and background variant, all of them. We bring them into the but before we even do that, you can see this is can take primary, can take secondary, can take data, can take outline, as well as the text variant. Can take primary, can take default, can take second, can take data, can take all that. And now let's come here and take the button. And before we take, we just say call like that, and you can say button props, and they are here. Just keep here, and you can see that the get background variant, which is background variant, it is here, and it is in primary. And when you look at the primary, you will see we have black, but when you look keenly, you'll find that we also have included style here, right? And the text also, we have also get variant, text variant, and text variant, we hand them get text variant here, and we are getting the white by default, because we have not set any. So by default to get white, and here background which is getting this one, and including this one, we are getting just a blue color. So that is background and the color of text respectively.